Special greetings, my dear students. In this class we are going to learn about primary key. Already I taught in a previous class, any type of database, it store information in tabular form. Okay, in tabular form, you know, up to this, whatever information we are typing, it will store in a tabular form. So this is a sample table. Okay, this is in MS Access. I opened MS Access. In MS Access, I created this table. Okay, I created this table. In this table, name, class, okay, after ID, section. So this is a personal table. This table name is personal. And I created another table. Okay, I created another table. This is of biodata. Biodata means it is nothing but about the particular individual record. Means we can say this is of school information, this is of home information. So we can mention here school. Okay, school information, and this is the biodata, personal information. Now same name, father name, mother name, and here I am going to give ID. So both table are in MS Access. Okay, both table are in a MS Access. Students, kindly listen here. If I want to link this both table, I need a common field. In this table, anyone is common? See, in this table and this table, any common field is there? What is in by field? Field means what? Column. Am I right? In any column, anything is matching? Yes. What are the matching things? I am writing here. Name is matching. Name matching after ID matching. Okay, students. Name also matching and ID also matching. This two field is common for this both table. Now I am asking to you, just you think, if in your class, if you are 8th B or 8th C or 8th or any section or any class, any standard, if your name is same name, 2 or 3 students may have, correct? So if here is a Anu, okay, so same Anu will be in a same class. If it is a 8th A, in 8th A it is possible same name 2 or 3 students may have, correct? But when we are linking a two table, the common field must be unique. Unique means what the data here it is having. What means here is the ID. ID means what? Number data type, correct? So ID is a number data type. So what the number in this column we are going to type, it should not repeat again. Unique, only one. Once if you type, over. Second time it should not repeat. If you repeat, it will show the error. Computer will not accept. Okay. Example, Anu 8th, ID number 101. Okay. And here same Anu, father name Aryan, mother name Shreya. Okay. Now ID. See here 101. So when we are linking, we should link a common field. Here ID is a common. Same here also ID is a common. Are you getting? Means in this field name, this both are common in this two table. So what the value you are entering here, same value will be there also. And this Anu, this is the ID. For your real-time example, your admission number. What the admission number you are having in a school, many students will be there with your name. But what the admission number you are having, only you, means another person they won't have. With help of this ID, we can able to take entire information about the Anu. Same with help of your admission number, we can take your full information. Means it is a unique primary key. Primary key means what? Unique. If you want more example, PAN card. What the number you are having? This is a unique. Aadhaar card, unique. In India, how much population is there? 130 crore people are there. In that, each person having a unique number. Okay, unique PAN number and unique Aadhaar card number. Okay, means with help of this common field, we are linking this both table. Okay, and this common field. Okay, it should be unique. That is the main reason. We can, sir, why we can link name also? Yes, of course, you can link name. There is no any mistake. You can link name from here to here. Both table you can link. Okay, but the thing is what? Once if you enter any name, same name should not be repeat here. Okay, same name should not be repeat. If you repeat, computer will not accept. So we will get this type of problem. Due to that only, ID is we are making a primary key. So I am asking you another thing. It is for your thinking ability. I am giving you three options. You have to select which one is the primary key. Section, father name, mobile number, after ID, auto number. Okay students, in this, which one you are thinking primary key? Now see here, section, more than one person, so 100% we cannot able to use section as a primary key. Father name, so father name also match with another person, another student father, so not possible. Mobile number, what the mobile number you are having, another person they won't have, correct? So mobile number also primary key. ID, if you want you can use after auto number. Auto number is the best option for the primary key. Okay, okay students, this is a primary key. Primary key plays a major role. With help of this primary key, we are avoiding the duplicate and we are taking particular individual. If I want 101, so why we are learning this primary key? Why we are linking this to table? The main reason is what? Query. Next chapter, we will learn very deeply about this query. Why we are learning query? Now I want students, those who have got 100 out of 100 in mathematics. Not only student name, I want their father name and mobile number. With help of query, I can able to take student name and father's mobile number. Actually students, with help of this query, okay, we can able to filter 2-3 tables will be there. From this is one table, this is another table, and another one table is there. With help of this table and with help of this primary key, we can able to take a particular student record. Okay, I want to take a record those who have failed or those who have got less than 20 mark in mathematics from 8th, 9th, 10th, 10th, 3 section. Those who got less than 10 in mathematics, not 10 or 20, I want to take their student name and father name, father mobile number and class section. I want this 5, 6 means a fixed 6 column. In 6 column, what things I want? Name, after mark, father name, mobile number. If we write the query, see here already school is separate, personal is separate, and another table that is separate. Now I want information in a one table with the combining of this three. Yes, of course we can do with help of this query. We can able to create with help of this. Nowadays we are working with help of based on this only. Okay students, upcoming class we can see a few more things about data types and design view. Thanks for watching.